Hey guys, today we are going to France. Good morning, you guys. The last time we spoke was yesterday actually, but I'm in Paris right now, so we have a connection flight to, is it Nice or is it's Nice?
I think it's Nice.
Okay.
That's what I say.
That might be wrong, but I'm gonna say it's right. Anyways, so we have like another 2 hours on a plane until we're there. It is about 8 a.m. in the morning. The time difference is like 6 hours, so I'm a bit tired, but I did get some sleep on the plane. I did get really sick though. Yeah, I threw up, to be honest. I've never done that before, like ever, from flying, but took some gravel, which you'd think would do the opposite, but apparently on an empty stomach was not a good idea. So next time I see you will be in like 2 hours when we're finally there. Hello, 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 you guys. I have just arrived. Let me just give you a quick rundown of what's going on. I am in France with Biotherm, so I'm here for their press summit. It is a healing summit, and so I'm really excited to learn more about the brand and try more products and just have an all-around really amazing time in France. So just arrived. I am currently in this cute little hotel room. Let me just give you a little toursy. This is where you come in. This is the beautiful bathroom. We have been fitted with some amazing Biotherm products. We have the New Life Plankton Essence in Mask. Oh gosh, I love essences. So then we have the anti-drying body milk as well as the cleansing shower milk. So that is amazing. So yes, that would be the bathroom. Behind this door is the toilet, and then coming out here, the bedroom, very, very French to me, has this little cupboard. But this, you guys, there's a little balcony. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. That pool is calling my name. Okay, so quick little rundown of what is happening. It's currently Monday. It's 7 a.m. at home, but here it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm a bit tired, but I did get a little bit of sleep on the plane. So I think what we're just gonna do right now is freshen up a little bit. Then I'm gonna get my bathing suit on because that pool needs to be swam in. It's so cold at home. I need to enjoy some sun, get some lunch, relax, and then I believe there's 2 other girls that are coming as well. So 2 of them are already here, and then there's gonna be 2 more that are coming. And then we're doing like a big dinner. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do right now. I think I'm just gonna get into a dress. Why am I still wearing this? It is so hot here. And then, yeah, head down to the pool. So let's do it. So we just had a really nice little lunch, and now we are at the pool, which looks really amazing. We're gonna do a little tan, yeah? Have a little tan?
I swear some people call it Nice though. Maybe that's like the French way. But in Canada, I swear people say Nice.
So it's Nice? No, it's not Nice.
Nice.
It's Nice.
It's Nice.
You guys, I said it was Nice. We're in Nice, but apparently we're in Nice.
Nice.
Nice, France.
Nice.
Sorry. There's probably a lot of people on here that watch that and we're like, no, that's wrong.
I know, that are French. Oh my god. Speaking of you.
Speaking of me, oh look, my ad. Currently just taking a walk around to see what is around here. It's so pretty, look at this. Wow, look at that. Is that an aloe plant? I'm pretty sure, yeah. Anybody gets a sunburn, we good. Look how pretty. What is that? What's down in there? Because it looks really cute. Is that the spa? Oh, we should go see what the spa looks like. We're literally just on a walk. That's the pool over there. That's where we just were. Look at how this water bottle opens, okay? Are you ready? It just flips up like that, and then it's like resealable. What? If you're gonna do it right, I suppose. Okay guys, so we are going to do a dinner. I'm just gonna show you what I'm wearing real quick. I just have on this beautiful outfit. You guys would have seen this 100 times. I changed my outfit, we're wearing this one. I'm super indecisive. Okay, let's go get Nicoletta. Let's go downstairs for a drink because we have about an hour before we actually have to head on out to the restaurant. We have made it to our dinner location. The lighting in here is very great. So hello. Hi. So we're gonna have some good dinner, and we're gonna maybe get a drink. Maybe we should go and do that.
We are very happy to have you here, close to the sea, close to the water, and an element that is very close to the brand heart. And we are very happy to have you here for a second reason, that is because we need you. We need you for a precise mission, that is spread the word about one precise fact, that is Biotherm is not only fresh, sensory, sunny brand, but is also a brand very efficient, brand that can transform skin. Tomorrow we have a fantastic ingredient that is a live plankton that is 100% natural, and it's really efficient in transforming the skin. That's why we say that it can change the present and the future of our skin.
Dinner is over. We are like literally the last people to even like
Yes, we actually are.
Look at this
It was
lighting.
so much fun though.
Should we dye our hair purple?
Can you dye my hair purple?
You want purple
I feel
hair?
like you're the queen of colored hair.
Oh, we just had a big talk about dyeing our
I
hair.
know. Did you like your food?
I did. My dessert was literally,
Oh yeah, they took the
it had sorbet, but it had milk, so then they just handed me like a plate of
fruit.
I was like, that's vegan dessert for you. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to day 2. Today we are at the Healing Summit, and I'm really excited to learn today. It was a little bit hard to wake up this morning, but this place, it has awoken my senses, so to speak. It is so beautiful here, so I'm going to take you guys around. I'm going to try to teach you guys as I go, and yeah, I'm excited for a good day. What do you think about the texture? So we just did a ton of workshops, and now everybody is taking some photos with Emily. There's this lovely Biotherm sign in the middle of the pool. So now I think we're gonna go and take some more photos and kind of hang out. Been a really chill day, a lot of learning experiences. We are currently going to get my skin diagnosis. So what is this called?
So this is called the Miracle Key device.
A Miracle Key device.
This has got different captures.
Okay.
And this is going to measure different parameters in your skin.
Okay.
To see where your skin is at today.
Okay.
The day cream, I don't remember the name.
Oh my goodness, is that me?
That's you.
Look at this, you guys.
But it's okay, I don't see any wrinkle.
It's so sparkly.
It's so funny with the sparkle.
Yeah.
But it's zoomed by 30, so it's normal that we can see the particles of makeup.
My skin looks 30, my real age is 27. That's not bad. No, I'll take that.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
I think we can really work on the luminosity and the suppleness of the skin.
And I think that would bring it.
This will bring it much more higher.
Y'all, I am home. Finally, it is quite cold here. I will not even lie. My skin, not doing very great, as you can see. Planes just do that to me. I thought that we would try out this guy. This is the mask that they gave me. It's an Essence in mask. It's so cold. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on another day in the life with me. I'm gonna try to do these more often. I had fun. Thank you so much to Biotherm for this trip. It was amazing. I am gonna go relax and maybe scare the dogs. Bye guys.